Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I have a thread up unboxing. This is the jeans box, like the 30 pounds of denim. Sorry, the DIY denim. I guess it's not all jeans, just the DIY denim box. 30 pounds. I paid, I think after taxes and shipping, like 52, 53, somewhere in there. I'm so excited. I literally just got this box like 5 minutes ago. So the box itself was 38, but then after everything, yeah, after everything it was like 53. So nervous. My thrift stores have gotten really pricey, so I wanted to just buy one of these and see. Hopefully there's some really good denim in here. I know that there's going to be some duds, but I'm hoping that there's some good things in here too. Alright, first pair is Torrid. Okay, I don't mind selling Torrid. Sometimes it has a tendency to sit, but I don't mind selling it. These are a size 20 regular, and they are the trouser ankle skinny. Okay. I think ankle jeans, crop jeans are kind of coming back, so alright, I'll take it. Now, NYTJ, I do like NYTJ. These are a size 16W. They are the Maryland straight. These are a black denim. Just the slightest bit of wear. I'll just note it. Maybe make them a little bit cheaper. But I'm obviously going to try to sell as much as I can out of this box. These are Nina. Oh, these are teeny tiny. Unina size. I don't see a size, but if I had to guess, I bet it's like a 0 or 00. I'll look up this brand, but I don't think that it's anything. They're just a slightly distressed skinny jean. If it's not worth my time listing, then I won't list it. Oh, these are just Shein. Just a Shein button skirt, and this does not look like it has, oh, size large. Just a denim button skirt, but I don't think I can really get much for this, so I'll probably just donate it, or I'll put it in like a yard sale. I think it's cute, but celebrity pink I don't think is anything. Size 728. This is a high-rise straight, distressed with a raw hem. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, Everlane, please don't be destroyed. Okay, looks like there's a little surface stain, but overall these seem to be in good condition. They are a size 31. This is the cheeky split hem jean. Okay, I can definitely list these. I will definitely, you know, get, probably say 25-ish on those, so hopefully there's more of this in there and not just bad things. Okay, these are Old Navy. Just some jeggings. I'm not gonna list those. I guess we should get this paper there so out of my way. These don't feel like anything. Kim Rogers, I think, is just like a Walmart type brand. Looks like these are capris, maybe. Zara, I don't love Zara. They're size 10. They kind of have some. It's hard to kind of tell if that's faded or worn. Size 10, dark, skinny jean. These are maybe Topshop mom jean, size 27. Okay, I'll list these mom jean. That's a good style. Vigos, I don't think Vigos is anything. Size 29, the Marley crop boot, but these are kind of cute. They've got like these cargo kind of style, so I might look these up too. Oh, there is a big stain down the back here. I might look it up, then see if I can get that out to see if I'll list it. Okay, these are Rag & Bone jeans. These are capri, size 29. Okay. I know Rag & Bone is a good brand. I don't know how much I can get for them, but I think I could get at least 20 to 25, so hopefully. She said these don't feel like anything, so I'm just gonna toss those to the side. These are Massimo jeans, and they have like what looks to be paint splatter, but I don't think that's supposed to be there, so I'm just going to get rid of those. Okay, pair of Madewell jeans. These are the curvy Emmett wide leg in a size 30T. We'll definitely list these. Good style, so should do pretty good. Another pair of Madewell jeans. Okay, these are 9-inch high-rise skinny, size 34. I think I actually have a listing for these jeans, if not one really similar, so I'll probably just copy listing on that. These are Gap jeans. I might just try to sell them. They're size 16, the universal legging. Not because I'll get the most for them, but because they seem to be in pretty good condition. Oh, I forgot to check the... this Madewell jean might be a little iffy. I'll inspect it closer and see. Okay. This is Who What Wear, which I don't believe is anything, and it looks like there were patches put on these, so those are a no. These are Old Navy Nuit tags, size 18. I don't think these are really worth anything. The extra high rise Rockstar super skinny. These might be maybe two. Just because they're Nuit tags. Oh, more Old Navy. Same thing, just not Nuit tags. Another pair of Madewell, size 27. Oh, these are maternity kick-out jean. I might try them. I don't have anything maternity in my closet. We'll just see. Okay, Old Navy jean jacket, size extra small petite. Probably will not do anything with that. Just because I don't think it'll end up being worth my time to do all the work to list it. Oh, cool. Pair of Good American jeans, size 12. It's a great size. These are I don't know what the style of this jean is, but it looks like either a wide leg. Huh. It looks like a wide leg jean. Maybe straight leg. I can't really tell. But great size. I feel like the jeans that I got that were really, really good have been really, really good. So that's great. A pair of a Goldie jeans. These are the Sophie style, size 29. A little bit of wear, but not too bad. Looks like a straight skinny jean. Okay, 2 more pairs left. Pair of Free People jeans, size 27. These look to be like a skinny jean again. They look like they have some surface dirt, but otherwise they look like they are in pretty good condition. Alright, and then the last pair here. These are a pair of Hollister jeans. I might just try to list them because they're the ultra high rise mom jean and a size 17 regular. They are destroyed. I don't know. I think that they were supposed to be like that. It doesn't look, just because of this here, looks like it was done in the factory. So let me count up how many jeans I think for sure I'm gonna sell for how much I paid. So 14. So I have 14 pairs that I know I'm gonna sell. Like I said, I spent about $53. So it's gonna average out to less than $5 per pair of jeans, and I think that I can make at least $5 on all of these jeans, not even counting my 2 maybes or my 3 maybes, and then the rest that I'm just going to put in our yard sale pile. So overall, I think that I got a really good box. Actually, I was pretty happy with this. So I might order another box, maybe not a denim box, maybe a bulk clothing box. We shall see. I gotta go. that was all. Let me know what you think down below. If you want to check out any of my closets, I'll have that link down below as well, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.